Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective here. Just going to give you a quick run through of all the new bits that we've received at HiFi Collective in the last month or so. We're always on the lookout for new components. It's quite active out there and buoyant, lots of people making cool things. Jupiter, we've been selling Jupiter parts for a long time. I've come up with an interesting range of caps. They are good ones for getting the retro stuff back. So Astron used to have a range called the Comet, which they've now started producing, called the Jupiter Comet. So this is an aluminium foil version. They are your traditional paper and oil cap, quite reasonably priced these. Hermetically sealed can. They're at the business. So a good range of values. So aluminium version there, and also silver foil version. So they're stepping it up. Silver obviously sounds pretty awesome. So well worth a look at. Still reasonable price for the silver version. They also are doing their version of the Vitamin Q. So a Vitamin Q cap is something that was developed by Sprague in the 40s. It was based on monopolymer development for audio, and it had a massive following. I mean, you can still buy Vitamin Qs, and there's various companies do their version of a Vitamin Q. So there you go, you've got your aluminium version here, and then also they're doing the silver version, a bit weightier. So this is a 0.1. Haven't heard them yet, but I'm pretty sure they'll sound really good. Audio Note have been busy. They've brought out a range of electrolytics. Obviously, you know about their standard electrolytic caps. They've also do their case eye. So these are called the Searoos, and effectively they are the case eye, but with steel lead outs. Now this reduces the cost of these by quite a lot. So you'll find that we now have the Searoo polar and bipolar version. So this one is a 1000 UF 25 volt Searoo bipolar. So a really good kind of lower cost alternative to the case eye. I like the blue colour as well. Really popular caps. Audio Note's range are doing really well. So we've also recently been able to buy in Solon's caps. Now Solon caps are made in France. We're going through Canada because they've got their offices there. We have been trying to get our hands on Solon caps for some while. They're kind of the staple for propylene caps for speaker design, low cost and very popular with manufacturers. So we now have the PA range, which is their kind of lower cost range. Here's one of them, 51 UF. So we've gone for a good range of values. They're all 250 volt rated on the PAs that we've purchased. So those, we've also got the PEs and the PPMs, which are higher voltage, 630 volt and 1000 volt. And these are referred to as fast caps, so quite a quick sounding cap. But a bit of a scoop with getting hold of the tin foil in Teflon. Now we used to buy these in the guise of obligato, but these do sound amazing. These are the FEPs, super sound caps. This one is pretty weighty, so you know it's just quality. So if you're looking for a kind of a Teflon foil cap, try these out because they're a lot cheaper than the competition and they have a brilliant performance. So check them. Also, we've been on the knob trail. Now these are just low cost ones. Kind of a slight retro feel. You've got your numbered knob there. You've got your standard kind of Bakelite ones here, different sizes. So these will be good for guitarists. And then you've got your chicken head So you've got clear with silver. You can see the silver internal. Clear with gold, gold internal, and then just your standard black. Just want to show you some samples we got from our guys in Japan, Amtrans. They make kind of resistors and caps, very audiophile company. And they've sent over some samples of valve bases. And these look quite lovely. These are the S7AM. So this looks to me like Teflon. The actual valve base is Teflon, a really kind of quality gold plate pin. And it looks to be a similar format to most, the sizes for a B9A. So we'll get some of those in. They are pricey, but that won't be till a month or so. They also do PCB-based B9A. I do two types there. This is clearly gold plate. So Teflon's pretty good for a valve base because it's quite deadening. I think that's Teflon. Yep, I'm pretty sure it is. And then this one is silver. Though I'm not 100% sure it's silver, I'm sure it is. Could be nickel. But look out for these three in a month or so. We order with Amtrans every month. We've also had the fortune of getting hold of Jade. So these are a Japanese manufacturer, been around for years, really, really high quality stuff. They do lots of mains, plugs, IECs, Shuko's. They do some really good RCA plugs like these. Pretty awesome. Just really well crafted plugs. They do quite a good range of DC connectors as well. Solder, all sorts really. So check out, just do a search for Jade and you'll see them all. They're on a par with kind of Furatech. And then just a word of warning, everything's going up in price with the economy. It's all, pretty much most companies are telling us about price rises, so we are systematically putting the prices up. But that's a sad situation, but there we go. Anyway, there we are. This is the new stuff. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe, and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.